Hello everyone, my name is Bro. I will tell you the story about the John's hiccups. John enters a competition. She will sing on television. John is nervous. Oh no! I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic! But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic! But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccups go. She's happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd stars and cheers. And she say goodbye.